Abraham, track Abraham.
Companies and construction sites.
Companies and construction sites. There's one more we're missing. Emily. Factories. So, let's see. Jordan, can you put all of that together? Everything that everyone just said, all of those things they've listed.
It comes from trucks.
What comes from? No, just say it. What is it?
The answer is pollution comes from trucks, cars, factories, countries, and construction sites.
Good job. Take 10 seconds to write that down if you have not already written that down. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Question number 3. What are some health effects that pollution causes? First part of the question. Second part of the question. What would happen to people's health if pollution is not decreased? Mercedes, go ahead and answer the first part of that question for me.
People's health will, they will die.
1 second, yeah, people not tracking. There we go. Okay, go ahead and say that.
That they will die because they're still polluted, like bad air and bad air in the air.
Bad air in the air, okay.
And that they will still get relatively harmed because there's still bad air in the air. Then
What do you mean by bad air? What are some things that are bad in the air?
if you're saying like there's
Go look at your chart.
Can y'all see it?
So what are some of those bad things in the air?
Yes.
Causing bad air? I don't know, I love that you look those people. No, where should she be looking? What column?
danger.
No. Sources, the pollutants column. What are some things that are in our air, Mercedes? You're on the right track. You say that like
Carbon monoxide
carbon monoxide.
and
Okay, so what's something that like carbon monoxide does to people?
like it hurts. It gives you headache, dizziness, and heart disease.
And heart disease. So that's the first part of the question. You got right. Second part of the question, Mercedes kind of touched on. So like pollution can give us all these bad things. If pollution's not decreased, what will happen? Jasmine, if pollution is not decreased, what will keep happening? Lung problems. What else? Carlos?
More people that didn't have lung problems could start having lung problems.
More people are going to get sick. Jordan? People are going to get very ill. Alicia? That's another thing. We're saying lung problems, people get sick. If pollution isn't decreased, what do you think is going to happen? Make a prediction. They could die. That's actually like a very real thing. So the city of Beijing in China, it's so polluted that 1,000 people die every year from just the air. So it's like a very serious problem. Good job. Question number 4. What is the purpose of this chart? Like the chart obviously has to have a purpose. What is the purpose? Alize, track Alize. Track Alize. Wait, everyone's tracking her. Ah, there we go.
The purpose of the chart is to show the danger and what is in the air.
Showing the dangers of the air. Who would agree with that? Who wants to add on more? Do you agree? Want to add more? Okay. You want to add on more, Julie? Okay. What would you like to add on? Nothing? Okay. You agree that she said it. Okay. Marian, you said you agree. Why do you agree? Louder, sweetie. You remember what Alice said?
Are you participating in the questions?
Alice, go ahead and read what she said.
The chart shows the
dangerous than what's in the air. Okay, you said you agree with that. Why do you agree with that? Because of the title of the chart. What's the title of the chart? Louder. I can't hear you over here, and I know that means the DK can't hear you. Not population. Pollution. So Miriam just led us to this amazing discovery. The chart has a title. And we know that titles tell us what things are about.
Wow.
Oh my God, Miriam, you are so correct. The title is about dangers in the air and what's going to hurt us and harm us. Okay, question number 5. Where does carbon monoxide come from? Why is carbon monoxide dangerous? How could someone decrease the amount of carbon dioxide? Nano. Correct, Nano, please.
It comes from cars, buses, trucks, and factories.
Okay.
It can harm you because you can get headaches, dizziness, and heart damage.
Okay.
And it can be decreased by using cars, buses, trucks, and shutting down factories for a few days.
Okay, so you're saying you're still going to be using cars and trucks and buses?
No.
Isn't that what it comes from?
electrical
If it comes from cars, trucks, and buses, you're going to keep using them a lot? No. So what are some ways you can like decrease carbon monoxide?
You can use another way to get around.
Okay, so what are some ways to get around?
What would you say?
By using a bike.
Biking, Sasha.
Tell me.
Walking, Paul. Carpooling, Andrea. Swimming doesn't seem very efficient, but that's a possibility. There's one more I'm thinking of. It's not very big in Houston, but they're making it bigger. Carlos.
Horseback riding?
No.
Which one?
Alicia. The metro train.
Oh,
Those
yeah,
are
I
all
knew that.
ways that we can decrease our carbon monoxide footprint.
But don't they have a skateboarding?
Number 6. Why might politicians and businesses, like factories, not like these new regulations? Why might they not like these new regulations? Diana. Track Diana, please.
No, I'm saying this with no.
What did Diana just say?
Oh, I don't know.
You don't know. You owe your class an apology.
Sorry
For what?
for going wrong.
Thank you. Can you say that again, Diana? Because that was 100% correct.
They couldn't afford to spend billions of money to change how factories work.
Who was they?
Businesses.
The businesses and politicians can't afford to spend billions of dollars to change. That's probably why they're upset about it. Good job. High five. Number 7. Emily Mesa. Number 7. What is causing the EPA to create stricter pollution standards? Track, Emily. Not quite. Does that really answer the question? That's telling us when, but it's not telling us why. Noah, would you like to help Emily out? Okay, track Noah.
Because they're like
Up, full sentence. The Environmental Protection Agency, what does that tell us?
and they really want to stop the pollution.
They really want to stop the pollution? What is this pollution doing to the cities and to the environment? Jessica. So people are getting sick from the pollution? So why do you, now that we've talked about it, why do you think they're trying to make their rules stricter? Carlos.
Because since a lot of people are getting sick and not feeling too good, they want to make sure that everybody can breathe better air by making Like by probably making rules.
By like creating rules to like stop pollution. That is the 100% correct answer.
Mm-hmm.
Class is over. We'll pick these up tomorrow. I'll wait. Your homework.